No, this isn't gonna go badly. Well, that was definitely the sketchiest thing I've done on this mill. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the shop. So I'm just here to bring you guys a little bit of a shop update, as it were. I also got some mail from some fellow YouTubers. I had a sticker from the west of me over in St. Anne, Manitoba. George's Basement Workshop. He just started a brand new YouTube channel. He's just starting out in the art of machining, and yeah, George, it is quite the learning curve, isn't it? So George has a few videos out, so you head over to his channel and check them out. And finally, after a long journey from way over from down under, I got some stickers from Aaron Engineering. And Aaron was a part of a big collaboration for some machinist jacks that a bunch of guys made for Max Grant, and that was actually a really nice series. And he's got some interesting ideas. He just made an engine that runs on hydrocarbons out of an air compressor or something like that. It was pretty cool. Anyways, you guys go check out Aaron's channel. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Let's get these stickers up on the board. Little bit of a sidebar here. That's my air compressor down there. I had a little mishap. There used to be a breather right down there in that hole, and whatever the hell happened to it, it buggered right off. And I cannot seem to find it anywhere. It didn't go through the ceiling, but it did shoot oil all over my sticker board here, so I'm hoping these stickers stick. Wow, okay, George, you weren't kidding. Those are a bitch to peel. I'll stick you right up here. I'll stick Aaron's giant sticker right up here somewhere. Oh, crap, it's too big. I guess it's going down here. There you go, Aaron, right under the AVE thing. There's probably less oil there, too. There you go, guys. Check them out. So at the very least, I'm finally starting to be able to see my bench. This thing was a complete and utter disaster today, and I'm still having a few problems with just finding spots for things to go. So right now, all I've got this old chunk of bed frame I've had bolted to the side of my bench for the longest time, but I only have one grinder. Plus, it's kind of sticking out, and it's kind of a pain in the ass. You know, I open the door hits it and whatnot. So, and I got another grinder way down there, if you can see it. I'd like to have everything just ready on the fly. So, what you see me doing on the mill was just making a little radius here for a hinge. So it's gonna have a hinge, something like that, and it's just gonna fold over. So the grinders will sit. So then the grinders will just hang on the angle. Then I'll be able to swing it out whenever I need it, and then swing it back in. So that's all that's gonna be. For the most part, guys, I wasn't going to be able to get this video out before Christmas, so I just wanted to chime in and say Merry friggin' Christmas, everybody, and a Happy New Year if I don't get to you before then, which I'm pretty sure I will. But if I don't, Happy New Year as well, guys. Big thanks to all you lovely subscribers, new and old. And for those of you that don't celebrate Christmas, have a happy holidays. Until next time, peace out.